29. Okay, CQ, CQ Foxtrot, 020 Alpha. Stop flight. Okay, flight 29. Okay, CQ Foxtrot.
Behind Bravo, Victor Golf.
Papa November 53.
Bravo, Victor Golf. Whiskey Alpha 2, Fox Hotel, Juliet. Fox Nancy 13. Kilo now? Yes, sir. Roger. Fox Nancy 13. From KD Don, DVC, Papa November 53, Southeast Wisconsin.
Kilo Delta 9, Bravo Victor Golf, and Echo Nancy 53, Wisconsin. Name is Doug, Delta Oscar Uniform.
Golf, over. Yeah, that's my selected place. Lima Yankee, November, over.
So this is another satellite. Earlier I had no success in getting some traffic on the first XW or X-Ray Whiskey satellite, but now we definitely have some traffic. This is X-Ray Whiskey 2 Foxtrot, or XW2F, that just did a pass over Montreal. So we heard some stations making contact here on 2 meters. What you're listening to in the Morse code right now is the beacon. The beacon is always useful because it lets you know if you're actually hearing the satellite. You hear the beacon, you should actually hear traffic also. And we heard some nice traffic here with a nice pass of XW2F satellite, which is kind of cool. It's always fun. I have tremendous amount of fun tracking down and listening to these satellites. So I think, a lot of you are wondering what you need maybe to listen to that. Remember that you need a single sideband capable receiver, and that is usually a higher end receiver. But, I have the loop antenna right now. This reception was done with the K180WLA. That seemed to work interestingly well in receiving satellites. But an ICOM R20, R30, or any handy talkie you might have that is capable of single sideband on 2 meters is capable, even with its little rubber duck or telescopic of some sort that's on the radio, of receiving actually. And I've seen videos of people actually with a simple setup actually make contact on these satellites. So try it out. It's one of the fun parts of experimenting in amateur radio. So this was the X-Ray Whiskey 2 Foxtrot, or XW2F satellite, that we actually still hear its beacon, and it's very low. It's 6.1 degrees elevation. To give you guys an idea, that low elevation is actually giving this satellite a distance of 2,100 kilometers from me, line of sight, and we're hearing the beacon. Pretty amazing when you think about it. If you enjoyed the videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.